here today, and Jess is allergic to apples. We're not even gonna pick them, we're gonna throw them. Can I eat one apple or no?
No.
I can't?
No. I mean, you just can't cook things, though.
Oh, I should eat 15 then.
Alright, let's throw some apples in the basket.
For what?
I don't know, to hold them? I don't know. To hold them. Isn't this the... This is the point. This is the point. You're supposed to gallop around.
You should go in the back for the best apples.
Yes, so where are we going?
I don't know.
Well, this is closed off, babe.
Yeah, but this is where he says, so go all the way to the back for the best apples.
Yeah, maybe that way. Like down there.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Press the flash. Oh, these are good though.
All right, so sneak in there. What are you gonna do? Babe, I thought you were gonna eat one.
Yeah, I want to eat one, but then I can't. What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
Oh, this is a good one.
It's either me or the apple.
Wow. That's a good one. Look at this.
It's me or the apple. Which one do you want? You failed. Babe.
Hi.
You hold my basket?
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna go in for the easy ones, like over here.
Yeah, let's see.
See? Cute. If only I could eat them. Ow! Babe?
Apple fine. Oh, look at this guy. It's like a cherry.
No, he's like a peach.
Play game.
What kind of game? You want to see who gets it in? Okay.
Go back.
All right, who's going first?
You go first. No good.
Now, what do we get if we get it in?
A kiss.
This is hard.
Got it.
Yay! You won that little battle.
Yeah, I always win. Let's go get donuts.
All right, donut time.
you doing? Can I just get a dozen donuts? What do you want? Plain or sugar?
I don't know. What do we got last time? Sugar, yeah.
That's 6 donuts a piece.
Dozen donuts, 6 donuts a piece. Let's do a donut challenge right now. You want
See
to
how
do a
many
donut
donuts we
challenge?
can eat?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat all of them. I'm having one. That's
Yeah, okay.
I'm serious.
He said he's only having one. What a lie.
I'm serious.
All right, let's see. Good? Was it worth coming here?
So good. That makes it delicious.
Mm-hmm.
So bad. I'm only having one.
What are we gonna do with the rest?
Hmm?
What are we gonna do with the rest?
Save them, bring them home.
Okay. All right, guys. We're gonna enjoy these donuts. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you guys in the next one.